So Bitcoin is sitting at 70,220. And if you have watched my last update, I had mentioned that Bitcoin can come back down. At that time, I don't remember exactly, but I think it was around 71 or 70,000. I don't remember exactly, or $72,000. But we spoke about Bitcoin going down from those levels and retracing, and we saw that Bitcoin did retrace. So my expectations for Bitcoin at that point were that Bitcoin can retrace all the way down towards $66,000 as a target, or $67,000. And we did see that it did go back down and it retraced. And I mentioned that after retracement, it will start its journey towards $74,000. And now it has started its journey. But for this area to hold, for Bitcoin to hold this price point, it needs to hold above $69,000 as it wants to continue with its journey. And from here, of course, the next target would be $71,000, and then the next one would be $72,500, and then we can go towards $74,000 as well. Those would be the targets, but Bitcoin needs to hold $69,000. As long as it holds $69,000, we can expect it to continue with its journey towards 72,500 as our first initial target, and then further targets. But if it doesn't hold that area, then that would mean that Bitcoin is done with the upper movement, and now Bitcoin is going to go back towards $67,000 again, and then from there we will again talk about $74,000. This is an uptrend, it's not a downtrend, so there is no bearishness. These are pullbacks which are corrections, and they do happen, and I'm just sharing it with you. So if you are trying to get a $2,000-$3,000 discount, or you're opening a leverage trade, these things, they end up making a big difference. Of course, nothing is certain, but we do see that more than 70% of the time the market do react in that way, unless there is some serious manipulation in place which moves it in a whole different direction.